Guys, we're going to look at crude oil. So for all you futures traders out there that trade the CL, we've been on a bit of a back test here, a bit of a pullback. Today presented a fantastic opportunity off the open. We kind of got stuffed at this supply. We started to really push our way down there. I know it provided some great moves. Again, with the morning between my options trading and futures trading with the NQ, I tend to overlook CL a lot, but it's been providing really good moves. So again, if you are an oil trader, you're a crude oil trader, definitely we've got some more room to kind of go. So what I want to kind of point out here is 3 days in a row we've held this 200 EMA. You can see we wick down here, and we're kind of holding this level. We've got this rising Bollinger Band that's acting as support here. Anything below 74.10 has room down to 72.61. But I want to kind of show you guys this level here. Below 72.50, 72.60s is going to come down here and test this 200-day moving average at $70. Notice the last time we came down here and tested the 200-day moving average back in March, April, May, and then we also tested it here again in June, going into July a few times. And you can see that we started to test this area when we really got that springboard bounce. So if we do start to lose this Bollinger Band, you're going to want to be involved in that short position below 72.60s, 72.40s, all the way down into $70 and around 50 cents. That's going to be your macro move. If we do overshoot that, I'd look for something even as low as 69, guys. So again, if you are trading futures, if you guys want to trade futures and you guys need a little bit of help with technical analysis and perhaps finding these levels intraday, I've got futures traders in the room who are trading futures. They're trading crude, they're trading the ES, they're trading the NASDAQ. Join Evolution Traders. That link is down in the description box below. It's half price right now for all of my courses, all of my watch list, the intraday technicals, the live trading, the community, and as well as the one-on-one coaching. That link is down below. Also, if you guys could do me a favor, if you're still watching this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up on this video. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. I would highly appreciate it, guys. I spend a lot of time and hours on these charts. I would highly appreciate it if you guys can drop me a like button. If we kind of look at the daily chart, because that was the weekly chart. If you look at the daily chart, it looks almost the same as that weekly chart, where we're kind of holding this supply zone or this demand zone here, this linear regression. Notice how many times every time we get down to it, we bounce, we get down to it, we bounce, we get down to it, we bounce. Same kind of story. If we start to lose today's lows of 75.37, this has got a lot of room to come down here and start testing some of these previous days channels at 74 and 74.60s, 74 even, ultimately getting down here to this rising Bollinger Band in the 73s. So definitely keep it on watch for tomorrow if we do get that breakdown. However, okay, just because it had a killer down day today does not mean that we're not going to bounce. If we do start to bounce, you can use the day's low as your stop. Okay, 75.32. You can use the day's low as your stop, and you're going to be targeting prices of around 76.30 and then $77. Those are going to be the levels that you're going to want to target. Those are your upper supply zones. So again, if you guys are interested in trading crude, maybe you guys are working for a prop firm or trying to get funded, or maybe you guys recently got funded, join Evolution Traders. We can help you guys with the mindset and the psychology, as well as the position sizing, to help you stay funded and or get funded. I'll see all of you guys on the next video. Until next time, stay safe out there and continue to make some cash.